From the brand known for legendary precision and unparalleled performance, come breakthrough innovations in laser tool technology. Capabilities you've never seen, productivity you've never imagined, in an entire new line of Bosch laser measuring tools. The Bosch GTL3 wall and floor covering laser breaks new ground with features never before seen in a layout tool. Its unique elevated beams project cleanly over uneven surfaces and obstructions. An industry-first 45-degree layout line enables ideal alignment and accuracy. And an innovative offset pivot point sets a clear, highly visible starting point in front of the tool. These innovative features, combined with its industry-leading accuracy and rugged durability, make the GTL3 the most effective laser on the market for floor and wall coverings. Bosch asked flooring contractors how a laser layout tool could make their work easier, and the GTL3 delivers. Its elevated lasers shine bright, clear lines up to 65 feet. Two 90-degree lines make squaring a room fast and easy. And its 45-degree line provides a valuable additional guide and an ideal orientation for diagonal layouts. When laying walls, its powerful base-mounted magnets hold firmly to our versatile quick-mount positioning plate or any available steel surface. And its rugged, dust-proof, waterproof design assures accurate use in any conditions.
ever a tool that needs a little kicking around, it's the Pocket Kicker.
Fits right into your pocket.
The 9-ounce Pocket Kicker will give you a boost when putting up doors.
Just stick it into the door, step on it with one foot. It leaves both hands free, and it allows you to put the door on with ease.
It'll also prop up those sheets of drywall when they're ready to hang. But before the heavy lifting, you can also use the tool to smooth out the drywall edges.
After you make your score and you break it over, there's a bumpy edge. A lot of times, you want your seams to be nice and flat.
And after taking it out for a little spin, you may find some other uses.
You get some mud or spackle or paint on some trim that you might not want. You can just easily scrape it off with that.
It's made of heat-treated aluminum, so the Pocket Kicker is strong enough to handle daily abuse.
Yeah, this tool will kick some butt on the job site.
There's a powerful new tool that combines 48 tools into one. Introducing the Tiger Wrench. By simply clicking between the different sizes, you instantly have the tool you need for the job. Think about all the time you've wasted in the past fishing around for the right size tool. With just a few clicks of the Tiger Wrench, you'll have the right tool for the job every time. The Tiger Wrench is fast. Look how quickly the Tiger Wrench can go from one size to the next. As fast as you can click the tool, you've got a new size. And because of the unique revolutionary tooth design, you can do both standard and metric sizes. Simply flip the tool around and you have more sizes. Ordinary wrenches slip on rounded corners. Not the Tiger Wrench. Its specially designed teeth won't slip like ordinary wrenches. Ordinary wrenches can't do 45-degree angles. With the Tiger Wrench, you can easily do 45-degree angles, no problem. With this one tool, you can tackle all your projects around the house or on the job. The Tiger Wrench is well built and extremely durable. It's a heavy-duty professional tool that's designed to handle up to 300 pounds of torque.
Carry self-charging light wherever you go with BioLite Sunlight. A compact solar light that provides bright and colorful lighting and freedom from rationing your batteries and energy. Featuring a pocket-friendly version of BioLite's optimal sun system, a 360 kickstand and analog sundial enable the integrated panel to find direct rays for maximum recharging. An additional micro USB in allows you to fill up in a pinch. Access quick and easy utility lighting with the dimmable white and red night vision. Or liven up your space with a variety of colors in party mode. With IPX4 water resistance, the Sunlight is ready for life outside, rain or shine. Use your days to light up your nights with the BioLite Sunlight.
So unlike traditional road flares, Hokena LED flares are safe, they're reusable, they're easy to use for anyone, don't have to risk getting burned or having a fire. You can keep them in every car for your kids, your wife, your family, in case of a roadside emergency. You know they're always going to be there for you. And what's great is they also float. Check this out. Check out this shot of me putting it in the water here. They float. Also, they're very tough. Here's a shot of me stomping on it, picking it up, and as you can see, it still lights perfectly. These are just durable, and they're also magnetic, and what they use is powerful rare earth magnets so the flares will not fall off the side of your car. Plus, the back has been designed so it won't scratch your car or your paint. Inside the bag, it comes with a keychain screwdriver tools for easy battery changes. They take AAA batteries, so you can always have them on, and they're pre-installed when you get them, so they're ready to use the minute they're delivered to your house. They have 9 different lighting modes, including SOS. They have a flashlight option. They have a built-in memory feature that's going to remember your last mode. And the kit also comes with a bonus I told you about, which is right here. It's got 2 things inside. One is a window breaker, as you see here. You can break your window, God forbid you were in an emergency or underwater. And also it's got a seatbelt cutter here in case you had your seatbelt stuck on you in the event of an accident. So that's a nice tool to have in your car in case of emergencies. Between the LED flares and this tool, you will be covered. God forbid there's an emergency in your car. And you're going to have peace of mind when you're driving or when your family is driving.